you're going to add in a reflection from last week. What is one thing that impacted you? Well, if you want to leave a comment, double click, right? And it'll give you a title, and you can put your name there or your comment and then put your name, dash Scott or whatever down there. So pile on. And this is an activity you may want to consider as a reflection for your students. Then you'll go to this interactive video on evidence-based learning. And it's about 20 minutes long, and there'll be some places for you to answer a question or leave a comment. And I just put view and comment when and where prompted. Then we have a live session, a Zoom session Thursday night at 8 o'clock. Now, it's not mandatory, but let me show you what we're going to be doing. I think you'll want to be there. We're going to have a pet parade. Bring your pet and introduce your pet. I'll give you an exemplar course tour, and we'll do some live session tips for you to consider for your own online class. I'm going to give you a demo of a application called Hypothesis. I think you'll really like and find applicable to your courses. And there'll be two door prizes. I'll be giving away two of my favorite things. Then after the live session, you'll have a Discussions That Rock activity. So how do you do and make for good online discussions? And you can go ahead and read that. You want further information on how to have a discussion that rocks. And you'll be working on a My Online Teaching Effectiveness Plan. And in this activity, you'll have a template to download. Let me just show it to you right here. Okay, let's see if it's going to let me pull it in. Yeah, and you can either print this out or do it right on here, but you'll want to go around and put in your approach and your technologies that you're considering for each of the HSU Way connections. And then there'll be some places down here for your teaching philosophies and some questions for you to answer in addition to that as well. And then finally, you'll be coming down and looking at some additional resources. I have my online bookshelf in here of texts I think you can put on the guilt pile by your bed, the stuff you can't get to now, but you just add more to it. Maybe you'll get to it at some point, right? And there'll be some technology for you to look at and a pre-course syllabus. And I'll be going over a little bit of the advantage of pre-course syllabus in our live session. And then at the end of the week, I'll open up a Module 2 wrap-up about how to go ahead and get your certification and next steps from here. So I'm looking forward to our interaction in Module 2, and I'll especially look forward to seeing you at our live session on Thursday night.